Well, schools across Maryland now closed until at least April 24th. Many frontline and essential workers scrambling to find childcare.
But some organizations are now lending a hand to those who are busy fighting the novel coronavirus. Amy Kawada shows us how.
Those on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic, like first responders, doctors, nurses, and grocery store clerks, are all considered to be part of the essential workforce. But with schools closed and now many daycares, there are only a few places for them to turn.
If our essential personnel can't be out there because they don't have people watching their children, what does happen to our community?
That's exactly why Sue Kroom is keeping her doors open at Peter Pan Learning Center in Marriottsville. To help accommodate essential personnel, registration fees are waived and tuition cost is discounted.
There are so many families out there, just regular working families that are still needing to work. They have young children, even if they're at home. It's still really difficult for them to get their work done.
According to state officials, child care centers are allowed to stay open as an essential service. To make sure the kids and staff stay safe, social distancing is required and extra precautions are now in place.
We are taking temperatures as children come to the door. Parents are not coming in and out of the building.
20! Good work, bud. You did great job scrub-dubbing.
We're doing more frequent hand washing. We've always done a lot of hand washing to keep germs away, but now we're doing it at least on an hourly basis. We're singing to make sure those 20 seconds are being done.
And of course, lots of sanitizing.
Happy birthday.
As long as we're allowed to be open, we're going to be open to serve the community.
And by the end of the day tomorrow, all daycare providers across the state will have to close, with the exception of those serving essential personnel. There are now at least 580 cases of coronavirus in Maryland, but as more people get tested, that number is likely going to rise dramatically. About an hour ago, we learned 2 Baltimore City Fire EMS providers and 1 city police officer have tested positive. All 3 are recovering.